What's going on, guys? It's your boy Dubs Daily. New to this YouTube stuff, This is mad awkward. I want to look away so bad, but trying to engage my audience, make you guys feel like you're here, although I'm talking to my phone right now. But anyways, new to this YouTube stuff, a lot of people have been pressing me to start up a YouTube because my current account on my Instagram is slowly growing. Dubs Daily 3, holla at me. Slowly growing, so they're like, yeah, start up a YouTube. Honestly, I've always shied away from it because I didn't know what the hell I'd talk about. I didn't know what to talk about, but come to terms that, it doesn't have to really be that serious, just have fun. Just show what you're doing, have fun. Post videos, me working on my car, driving around, going to car meets, whatever. I'm gonna be doing all of that, if I get the chance. But also, yeah, definitely gonna be working on my car, and I want you guys to be here during the journey. I got a vision for my car. I want you guys to see the progress. I'm gonna show you guys my car as I promised. For the people who know what my car looks like, you guys see the goods, you guys see the flaws. For those who don't know, enjoy the video. Although it's nothing too crazy, it's literally just a little tour of the car. But yeah, just follow me on this journey. Trust me, I promise you, the end product of this car is gonna be something different. All right, enjoy. Here's my red baby. Ooh, look at you, so pretty. For real though, nothing too crazy about it. It looks pretty simple. 2010 Mazda 3 GS model. Yes, it is a 2010, but I have the 2012, 2013 bumper. I originally had the 2010, but it was the black plastic ones that doesn't come with it, but I bought it like that, and yeah, shitty. Clips are broken, so sometimes I was driving, it was popping out or flapping in the wind like that. But yeah, I came across the 2012 one, swapped it, got it painted, installed it myself, and yeah, came out pretty decent. Fog lights, I wish I had the fog lights. I'm looking for them. Well, looking for them, I already found them. They're on eBay, but I'm trying to pay the $200. You feel me? If anyone's parting them out, please let me know. I'm really in need of them. Gives my car a whole nother look. Front lip, got it off of Amazon. Icon Motorsports, gloss black. A lot of people do like it, but to be honest, I'm going for another. I want it to stick out more. And if I were to uninstall this and arrange it or rearrange it, this would not be lined up with the fender, so it would look pretty stupid. So I'm honestly looking for an entire another lip. But a lot of people like it. To me, it doesn't look bad, but I have the vision, so I might get that swapped out. Tow hook, also from from eBay. These headlights, I originally wanted to spec these, but honestly they were pricey at the time, and yeah, I was looking for another alternative. Came across these. They're pretty good, honestly. They grew on me, so I grew to like them more than the spec Ds. But after I got these, they were discontinued, and a lot of people were coming to me asking where the hell I got those headlights because they wanted it. But at the time, it was pretty when I was looking for the spec Ds, they were pretty accessible, but I wasn't really paying attention to it because I wanted the spec Ds. But yeah, honestly, so I'm sorry for anyone who still wants them. Yeah, good luck. Yeah, these quick release bumper tires, got them from Grounded Concepts, because even after I changed this bumper, I was still having some fitment issues, so to hold it up I needed those clips. Wheels, got Miglia rims, Mille Miglia EVS rims, 18x8 with a plus 35 offset, and my tires, Goodyear tires, 235 45 18. Sorry, get a better look at him. Paint job done by me. I'm not a professional painter. Yeah, I know it's just shitty. When I first did it, turned out good, turned out great actually. I loved it, but now it's like, looks pretty ass. But they don't see that in the pictures, but it's okay. But yeah, I'm gonna get that taken care of. Again, not a professional painter, but That's what I got right now. The smoked side markers, I got them from AliExpress. Yes, AliExpress. People don't really trust it. I didn't really either until a guy told me that he bought something off of AliExpress, and they're actually sequential. Let me give you guys a look. So yeah, there you go, sequential. AliExpress. I paid like 16 bucks for them. Nothing pricey at all. Suspension setup, I got H&R lowering springs on Coney struts and shocks. 1.6 in the rear, 1.9 in the front, I believe. But the fact that it says 1.9 in the front and there's still this gap is what pisses me off. You know, like, it's not too bad, but like, it still bothers me, and it bothers a lot of other people too. A lot of other people have seen its worst days. Some days it could look okay, and other days it looks like a monster truck, and I don't get it. But the rear sits nice. The rear sits nice. Like, I don't want it any lower than this. This is perfect. You know, like them Stancy boys that got them wheels angled out like that, you know. I don't, you know, like that's your guys' look. That's just not mine. You know, I like this clean, like, look at this. Flush. No spacers too. Flush. But yeah, honestly, I plan on going on coilovers in the future. I just wish, you know, after spending all this, like the total price of getting these parts and getting them on, you know, I wish I just bought coilovers. But yeah, side skirts, don't have them. I originally did, or I bought them off of someone, but they were cracked at the ends and I was gonna get it installed, but I chose just to sell them instead. I wish I kept them to really get them repaired, but yeah, I'll be buying those backs. Side skirts with the lip to make it a complete kit. Ooh, hold on. Dubs Daily 3. Follow me on the gram. Travel to the rear. We got that base in our rear diffuser lip and my exhaust setup. Swapped out my resonator for a Vibrant Performance resonator. I'm going straight pipe from the res back with a muffler delete and a 4-inch exhaust tip. Nothing too crazy on the rear. I did tell you guys I'm gonna show you all of my flaws. Okay, I originally had my taillights blacked out and it wasn't film tint, it was spray tint. No guys, don't do that shit. Don't do it. From my experience, I can't get that shit off. I tried and I had to buy a whole new set of taillights. Don't do it. Yeah, because when I did it, I read up views on trying to do it properly. I wish I just took the taillights out, but I didn't do that. I was being lazy. I taped around it, put some plastic bags and shit, hoping that it wouldn't leak on the car, and it did. And I tried to rub it out. You guys know what happened. Just don't do it. All right, spray tint, stay away from it. I got my stickers, Recall, Megan Racing, Toyo Tires, Momo. Under Gods, know the name, man. I'm going worldwide. Hit up Under Gods. Never satisfied, that's big facts. Like, I'm looking at this, you know, a lot of people like it, some people don't want me to do more to it, but I'm not satisfied, you know. So it's real shit, man. Never satisfied. Got that Next Mod sticker. Shout out to Next Mod. Dubs Daily, I'm telling you, follow me, man. But yeah, as far as the exterior goes, it's really not much to talk about. But oh yeah, speaking of my exhaust, a lot of people really do like the sound of my exhaust. And for a 2.0, I don't think it sounds too bad. You know what? Let me just let you guys hear it. Shout out to GT Custom, man. Because of you guys, people love how my 3 sounds, you know. Usually the 2.0s don't get that much love, but shout out to you guys. Let me just disappoint you guys from the jump before I talk about the interior, okay? Right there. You see this? Automatic. I get it, all right? I get it. But to be honest, I don't drive in, you know, I don't put it in drive when I'm driving. I go to manual mode. And honestly, just give it some love, okay? Going into manual mode is kind of like using a sequential shifter. For those who know what a sequential shifter is, it's basically manual, but you don't need a clutch to shift, you know? That's what this acts as. So, you know, maybe you guys can give me some ratings, but I honestly still feel like I'm gonna get some hate because of it, but whatever. It's okay. I don't care. My next, well, honestly, I do care, kind of. I'm lying. My next car's gonna be manual for sure, don't worry. I'm learning as I'm going. All right, I'm gonna be prepared for when I get my manual car. 3M carbon fiber wrap. 3M. I did it myself. I'm not a professional rapper, so if you look real close, you're gonna see them rough. Like, look at that. Ew. Gross. Let's go over here. Yeah, gross. But from afar, it's like, you know. Hold on. My camera was refusing to focus, but yeah, from afar, you know, looks like something done from Raptors. Raptors, hit me up, man, please. But yes, shift knob, got it from Amazon. Don't know the specific name for it, but it is universal, so manual or automatic. If you guys want to feel like you're getting that stick vibe, especially if you have a manual mode, you know, guys, stop hating on me, leave me alone. All right, whatever. I originally had an Android head unit, made it look very modern, touchscreen, everything, but the downside was that my audio was garbage, so I honestly ended up selling it and putting back my stock radio because I like to blast my music, you know. And you know how embarrassing it is for your boys to come in here and then, you know, they're pressing the volume button thinking that it's low, and I have to tell them that it's at the max. You know, like, you know how embarrassing that is? Like, people want to come in here and hear music, and then when they can't hear the music, it's just an awkward ride. But yeah, more carbon fiber wrap. This seat's not mine, all right? I have no kids. It's my sister's seat. I don't want to hear it. No kids yet. Yeah, as far as the interior goes, there's really not much to talk about. Really not much. Got this Nike. You know the vibes. Nike everything, man. Look at that, big packs, Nike. Yeah. Oh, the horn. Let me talk about the horn. For those who know, or those who own this car, y'all know what the horn sound like. For those who don't own this car, you know, have you ever seen that episode of Phineas and Ferb when they come in contact with that alien that came down to Earth? Meep. That's his name. Meep. Meep. You know, it's everything he says is meep. You know, you talk to him, meep. He doesn't say anything else until he got the I think it was a hat or the mustache. I can't remember. But meep. That is what this horn sounds like. All right. Meep. I know you guys just saw me press the horn and probably wondering why the horn doesn't work, and I'm about to tell you. I tried to replace that shitty horn and install hella horns, and I'm not really a wiring guy, so you know, I watch multiple videos and watch those videos multiple times thinking that I get it right, but nothing. I did all that wiring and nothing. But let me show you guys the hella horns. You could get them if you know someone that installs it, or you can do it right. You could get them off of there it is right there. There's one there, and then there's another one further over there. But yeah, you get them off of Amazon for like 60 something bucks, you know. Anyone that has this car and they want to change the horn, I highly advise it. It sounds like shit, right? Do it. But yeah, as far as my car goes, there's nothing really more to talk about, you know. Give you guys one more walk around. Got a lot of work to do, you know. There's a lot I want to tell you guys, but I don't really want to spoil it too much. You know, I want it to be more of a surprise. Make you guys look at this 3 and be like, wow, no, he did that shit. Yeah, that's honestly about it, you know. That's about it. Yeah, it's raining pretty hard now, but because I love y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a clip before I head out. All right, give y'all a little clip. Honestly, yeah, just stick with me during this process, all right? Trust the process. Just like the 76ers always say, although they're shit, trust the process, you know? We're gonna get this taken care of. You guys are gonna see that end product. You guys are gonna see my vision that I have for this and be like, Whoa. But yeah, honestly, please just show love. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Show a brother some love, you know. Dubs Daily 3. Same thing on IG, you know. Stay tuned, and I'm out.